should note what kind of bar this is. This is a bottoming of the smallest swing bar that originates with some kind of down bar that might have some kind of level of supply, right? So we're seeing the same picture here. We're seeing the same picture here. And to a certain degree, we're seeing the same picture right here. So all of the slows, they're kind of the same. So how would we know if we're going to have a breakout? We probably need to look at the level of the supply that we're seeing from the top of the reaction and how much that supply produces the result relative to the previous low. And that will allow us to judge the level of the supply. Also, we could look at the volume signature and define the levels of the supply right here. But what I'm seeing is that on the days that are stopping reversal type of days, we actually never break out. And I think it's very logical because we still have somewhat of the supply that we need to observe since the reaction. And with that, as we need to observe that supply, there's going to be no aggressive breakout action. The breakout action could happen after the initial pull up, and this pull up could be either the demand tail that we're seeing on those bars or a favorable close. And then on the bar after that, when supply is observed, then we break out. Then we break out. And by the way, I mean, like when we look at this structure in a much closer way, we're seeing that the breakout bars are diminishing in spread and slightly diminishing in the commitment here, right? Of the thrust of the commitment, ever slightly. And plus this bar is a little bit elongated, so the spread of it is somewhat more than, let's say, the previous down bars. So that's showing a little bit of the almost like ease of movement to the downside, and this rally is definitely not the rally that we've seen here and here. So again, I would not be surprised if suddenly we have some kind of, retest of some lows. What's going to be here? That's the most important question. Okay, so that's how I would answer this question, Vanessa. Okay, but so far, still in the structure which is bullish.